What it's doing is it's trying to go and tug it and yank it out.
This is an epilator, a very spa-looking device. Also, finish is quite beautiful. It is used by men and women. So you press this on and it turns on. There's a little light so you can see in the dark. There's a protective cover that you can take off. So you got your little brush so you can clean the tips. You got this so you can place this inside. So these are gears that essentially pluck the hair out of your body. This is used for facial hair on the upper lip, chin, maybe a cheek. If you want to use it to touch up hair removal on the bikini line, maybe underarms, legs, maybe you want to trim the hair that is 5 millimeters, this is the device for you. Do not use this if you have acne. Don't use it around moles or any loose skin. If you have diabetes, eczema, hemophilia, immune deficiency, rosacea, any varicose veins, wounds, or when your skin is inflamed or irritated, do not use this on it because it's just going to pull that skin and it's going to hurt you. It's operated by 2 AAA batteries that are not provided. You do not want to use batteries that are aged and old because it's going to start hurting you as it's not going to pull at the correct power. So always have new batteries, fresh batteries. Too bad it's not USB powered, but that's okay. We can do without. It's pretty good priced. Now, sometimes after using this for a while, you may get some inflammation. If you do, then just put a little ice on it and don't do it again for a while. Now, we're going to use this on my feet hair. I have not done this before, so let's give it a go. I am prepared for pain. So let's try our toes. Alright, so here we go. Ow, 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 ow. It got stuck. So I guess the hair is a little too long. Let's try this again from another angle. What it's doing is it's trying to go and tug it and yank it out of. Yeah, so definitely not good for stuff like this. What it is good for is if you have a little tiny hairs. So let's try it on our face. So we've got some hairs on my cheek. They're not as long as my hair on my foot. So let's go. Now in the dark, let's turn off the light. Well, you can still see pretty good in the dark. And there's no way to turn off the light either. So let's give it a go. It's working right here. You can see it plucked it, but it definitely hurts. So anytime it hurts is when it pulls the hair and plucks it out. So yeah, you can see right here, it plucked it. If you want to press it a little more, oh. So right there you guys can see that it plucked the hair out. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, so unlike shaving, this will pull the hair out and it's gonna be out a lot longer, but you can see that there's literally a little redness that's happening. So it definitely works. If it works for me, it's definitely gonna work for anybody else, but it is painful. So if you don't mind the pain, this is something you probably want to consider.